Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and it's my home. My name is Denise Marie, and in today's video I am just going to be giving you some quick cleaning motivation. This is my fall cleaning evening routine, and on this evening we did not have a lot of dishes because we had used paper plates and pretty much had cleaned up as we cooked. We tried to do this so that way when it is time to clean, it's not like a whole big mess everywhere. So yeah. So here I'm just loading the dishwasher. My evenings lately have been really busy, and so I've been utilizing my dishwasher a little bit more. I actually really enjoy washing dishes by hand. I like to put my music on, I like to put a little candle on, and it's just my time to kind of think about things, or even while I'm washing dishes, I'll watch some of my favorite YouTube videos. And but because everything's been super busy lately, I just decided to go ahead and use my dishwasher tonight. So I'm curious to know what y'all use for washing dishes. If what you use to wash your dishes by hand, or if you utilize your dishwasher, what do you put in your dishwasher? I've definitely tried 2 other brands, but I was not really happy with them, and so I use this Finish Quantum that I love so much. It works the best for me, really does. So definitely leave me a comment down below and let me know what you use. Okay, so now that I'm done with the dishes, I am going to move on to my counters, and usually I will do one of 2 things. I'll either wipe them down with just some plain soap and water, or I will use the Method cleaner for marble countertops or granite countertops, and it works really well. If you need something that's not going to be harsh and something that is going to make your counters, give them that shine, I would definitely recommend the Method cleaner. That works wonderful. I love it. I love seeing my counters nice and clean and shiny afterwards. That's like, I don't know what it is, and clear. That's like the best feeling. It just makes like your whole house feel clean or something. So as I'm wiping down the counters, if you notice those 2 white boxes on the side, I went to IKEA this past weekend and I was super excited. I don't usually go there because it's like a 40-minute drive for me, but I went this weekend and I got a couple of things. This being one of them, I got us some dinner cups or dinner glasses and some breakfast glasses. We didn't really have a set anymore, and so slowly but surely they were all breaking, and so yeah, I got new sets and I love them because the quality is great and the price is low, and you cannot beat that. So I'm very happy with them. So I gotta ask, does anyone else have a island and feel like it takes forever just to make sure that you have it all nice and like wiped down and clean? I don't know why. I feel like it does, and maybe I'm just being silly. I don't know, but I just want to add also that is in no way a complaint, because these counters, the space is such a blessing. When we bought our home, I definitely envisioned us using the counters for breakfast, or you know, like some quick takeout meals maybe. And it's definitely been a blessing. Or even gatherings, when we have family gatherings here in my home, I love it, because that's exactly where we all gather around. So here I'm just going to clear my table off of some of my fall decor. I'm actually going to go ahead and put this away since it's towards the end of September. I'm super excited to get ready for Halloween, and I'm going to give it a good wipe down with just some plain old soap and water. I have to add really quick, it's gonna look like I'm wiping nothing down, like there was nothing on the table, but on this night we had arroz con pollo, and yeah, so there was rice all over the table. So one of the last things I like to do is give my sink a good wash down and a good rinse, and get, you know, everything off of it nice and clean. Sometimes I do dry it out, sometimes I don't. And then I like to put my dish rag, I've shared this with y'all before, but I definitely only like to use my dish rag for that one day, and then I set it out to dry and put it to wash. And then next load, I read an article, I've also mentioned this before, but I read an article that you should only use your dish rags one time, because they do tend to grow bacteria. So that's what I do. All right, everybody, so that's going to be it for my fall cleaning routine. I hope you enjoyed this quick motivation, and I hope that if you are new to my channel, you'll hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you can see all the future videos, and follow me on Instagram at Denise_Marie06, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.